Once there was a boy who lived in a small town. One summer he went to visit his grandfather during the holidays. He spent most of his time playing with his grandfather and enjoying their time together. One day he asked, "Grandpa, when I grow up, I want to become a successful person. Can you tell me how to achieve success?" Grandfather nodded with a smile and said, "Let me show you something." He took the boy to a nearby nursery and bought 2 small plants. Back home, he planted one of the plants in a pot and kept it inside the house, while the other was planted outside in the garden. Then he asked the boy, "Which of these 2 plants do you think will grow better in the future?" The boy thought for a moment and replied, "The plant inside the house will grow better because it's safe from dangers like strong sunlight, storms, rain, and animals." Grandfather smiled and said, "Let's see what happens." Years passed. 4 years later, the boy visited his grandfather again. As soon as they met, the boy asked, "Grandpa, last time I asked you how to be successful, but you didn't give me a clear answer. This time, you have to tell me." Grandfather smiled and replied, "Of course. But first, let's look at the plants we planted years ago." He showed the boy the plant inside the house. It had grown into a small, healthy plant but wasn't very big. Then they went outside to see the plant in the garden. To the boy's surprise, it had grown into a large tree with strong roots and wide branches that provided shade to passers-by. Grandfather asked, "Which plant grew more?" "Which one is stronger?" The boy replied, "The one outside grew bigger, but how? It faced so many dangers." Grandfather smiled and explained, "The plant outside faced challenges like storms and heavy rain, but these difficulties made its roots stronger. It had the freedom to grow and expand. On the other hand, the plant inside the house was protected from all dangers, but it remained small and weak because it didn't have to struggle." Then he turned to his grandson and said, "Remember, my boy, success comes through struggle and challenges. If you always choose comfort, you may stay safe, but you'll never grow to your full potential. However, if you're willing to face difficulties and step out of your comfort zone, no goal will be beyond your reach." The boy took a deep breath and gazed at the tree. His grandfather's words echoed in his mind. Challenges that seem like obstacles are, in fact, opportunities to grow and become stronger. In life, we often encounter difficulties that can make us feel discouraged. But this story of 2 plants teaches us that we should see challenges as opportunities to learn and grow. The plant outside had to endure storms and rain, but gained the strength and freedom to grow into a mighty tree. Meanwhile, the plant inside the house, though protected, remained small and fragile. From this, we learn that the more challenges we face, the more paths to success open for us. Challenges teach us resilience and determination, qualities essential for success. While overcoming difficulties isn't always easy, setbacks are only temporary. By learning from them and moving forward, we become stronger and more capable. So, the next time life throws challenges your way, don't give up. Embrace them as opportunities to grow. Always remember, the challenges you face today will help you become stronger and more successful tomorrow.